All right, let's install some PPF on this. I think the 2011 GMC Sierra. First of all, we got to do a full wash. We got to do a full pressure wash, then soap it, hand wash. Just you see me do it right now. Just soaping it down, hand washing the whole thing. And then after that, we'll do another rinse, as we'll see here in a second. Rinse it off. Get it all clean, all that soap gone, all that dirt. Even though I'm only doing PPF on the lower doors and the rockers, I'm still washing the whole thing. That's just a standard procedure. By me at our shop is you're gonna do a full wash, whether you're just doing a little bit of PPF or a bunch. Just getting the lift put in place here. Not that I need to use a lift for this, but I figured I might as well just get it a little bit up in there so it's a little bit easier to work with. So I lifted it up about a foot or so. Yeah, so here you can see me starting to lay my pieces in. I just got pre-cut some pieces, length just a little bit longer in each door, and to about 10 inches, but they're actually just about 9.5 inches, 9 inches sitting on there. You can see a little bit of overhang that I have to go back and trim off later. So these are all just bulk pieces, and then just cutting them according to what they need. So yeah, you can PPF older vehicles as long as the paint is still good and you don't have a bunch of stone chips and rust starting.